Of the Lord for giving us St. Camillus to be our model in giving for the sick. If not because of St. Camillus, we will not be able to be brothers in the society. So, with the spirit of St. Camillus, we would like also to extend His goodness, His mercy towards the sick by informing you about the life of St. Camillus. For that, we have to give praise and thanks to God.
An agent of transformation in our society today. Rather than kita'y mahimong pabilo sa kagubot, kaguliyang sa itong katilingban, sige balik-balik ninyo mga kabataan nga, kamoy mga paglaon sa itong katilingban, pero wala na ito na puiin. We please to love the mercy and compassion of the Lord.
Every student to please proceed to the quadrangle for the simple snacks prepared for you from the St. Camillus de Lilis Feast Day today with the sex here. Thank you.
Atagi kami Ginoo sa kalinaw, panagigugma ay sa matagusa. Kining tanan ang gipangayo pinaagi ni Kristo among Ginoo. Amen. Sa ngalan samahan ug sa anak sa Espiritu Santo.
Sa dami na iyong ginagawa. Shake it, shake it.